The World Health Organization has predicted that if the swine flu problem turns into a full pandemic, over 2 billion people will be affected worldwide. Currently, the World Health Organization has an alert at phase 5 for this pandemic, or what is characterized as a very likely pandemic. It's characterized by human-to-human spread of the virus in at least 2 countries in one World Health Organization region. That's what a phase 5 is. Also at phase 5, while most countries will not be affected at that stage, the declaration of a phase 5 is a strong signal that a pandemic is imminent and that the time to finalize the organization, communication, and implementation of the planned mitigation measure is very short. Friday, the journal Science will publish a report on the H1N1 virus. The article is part of the World Health Organization's Rapid Pandemic Potential Assessment collaboration. In this study, Science takes the position that between 6,000 and 32,000 individuals were infected in Mexico by late April. That's worth mentioning because obviously the numbers we're seeing are much lower than that. H1N1 spreads faster than typical seasonal flu epidemics. And Science takes the position that the swine flu virus has a basic reproductive rate of between 1.2 and 1.6. It's a number that shows how easily the H1N1 virus spreads within a population. By comparison, a typical seasonal flu hovers somewhere around 1.2, which is the lower end of the projected swine flu problem. The 1918 flu that created the pandemic at that point had an infection rate of 2.0, which shows how close the swine flu virus is to what happened in 1918. I'll get into the 1918 pandemic in greater detail, but the pandemic mortality rate for the 1918 pandemic was 2%, and the mortality rate projected with the swine flu problem we have now is 0.6. The swine flu, H1N1 flu, acts much more like the 1957 Asian flu than the 1918 Spanish flu. And those are the findings that we'll hear about on Friday through Science. The Center for Disease Control is referring to this illness as the novel influenza A/H1N1 virus infection. I point that out just because this disease, this phenomena, is being called by many different names. And it's worthwhile, if you're going to be paying attention to this, to spend some time on the Center for Disease Control as well as the World Health Organization's sites and familiarize yourself with the science. According to the Center for Disease Control, the swine flu-related deaths outside Mexico has gone only to 5, and the United States has reported only 3 fatalities. However, the United States now has the highest level of confirmed reported cases at just over 3,000, compared to a total of 6,000 worldwide. Worldwide, there's 65 deaths associated with the H1N1 virus, but 60 of those are confirmed in Mexico.